Hello, my name's Mandy. In today's little foodie education activity, I wanted to show you my wonderful trick about tiger clawing and sawing our food into tiny little pieces. You're at an age now where you can help in the kitchen and use some knives with either your parents or your teacher at school. And so I want to show you how you can do that safely. I've got a lovely little knife here that's a kid-friendly knife. And when you're little, you might be learning how to use knives and might use a knife like this. And then later can graduate onto a sharper knife. So I've got a cucumber here and a nectarine, and I want to show you how you can use the tiger claw and sawing action to be able to cut it up. But before we come down to our stations, have you washed your hands? All right, go wash your hands and then we can come down and do some cooking or cutting together. Here we are down at our station. We've got a cucumber and we've got a nectarine. We've got our knife and we've got our plate. When we're using our knives, we're going to have the bumpy side down and the flat side up. We're going to hold it like so. So we create the little Y between our index finger and our thumb. Place the knife in there and wrap it around. Then we're going to use our tiger claw to be able to secure down our food. And then we saw. Tiger claw and saw. Let's have a look what that looks like with food. Here we've got the nectarine that's been cut in half already. Instead of putting it on the wobbly side, the round side, where it can wobble around, we put it flat side down. Therefore, we can secure it better with our tiger claw. Tiger claw and saw. Tiger claw and saw. You might need to move the food around to cut it in different areas. And slowly you push down and saw. Tiger claw and saw. Let's have a look on what we do with the cucumber. Similarly to the nectarine, it's curved on the outside of a cucumber, which means it would roll around. But we pre-cut this in half, so therefore there's a flat side. Flat side down, tiger claw and saw. Slowly and surely we get through all our foods, and we don't potentially cut our fingers if we were just holding the food like so. Our tiger claw ensures that our little fingers are safe, tucked in there in their claw positioning. Look at that. All of those lovely foods that have been chopped up using our tiger claw and saw.